Sharing spaces. Okay, so you created a space and added some stuff to it, but how do you share this thing? I'm Adam, I'm a designer at ShareUp, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get into it. I've got a space I've pulled together with some stuff from my upcoming Italy trip. I want to share it to the group. So to do that, I'm just going to select the URL up here and paste it to the group. Another option would be just to hit the copy link button. It does the exact same thing as selecting the URL, it just kind of skips a step. Here, I'll show you. I'll send that to the group and they can start adding stuff as well. Another cool way of sharing a space is with a QR code. It's super handy for quickly moving a collection of links from your desktop to your mobile phone or sharing to and between mobile devices. It's one of my favorite ways of using new.space. I'm Adam, and that's how to share space. Till next time, happy sharing.